Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing the best starter guide ever. So first, my friend has to remove all these blocks. So I'm just going to join another team, green team. So this starter guide will also give you gold easily. So first you have to go in menu and then go to quest and go to my throat is bad. And you need to go to soccer quest. This is the most easiest quest of all. So if you go here, you always start out with wood and a chair. So then, first what you have to do is place a wood block here, and then you can win easily. Then you can get 50 gold, and by that 50 gold, you can buy a hinge, and then you will need that on the other quest. So then you get ice blocks too. So then you have to go to quest, go to ramp. I want to wait for money to respawn. Then what you have to do is just climb all the way up there. And when you're up at the top, you have to build something like this. I know you have a lot of ice blocks, but this is not to work. So after that, you press launch, and this should um why isn't it working? This is supposed to fall over there, and then you're supposed to hit over there. You know, just skip that. Then you can use the ice blocks on something else. My god, I'm holding two items at the same time. That's also a thing that you can do. First you have to restart and then you can do it. So you have to remove this quest and then put on the target quest. It's the most easiest quest of all. The target one is the most easiest. So what you have to do is that to build all the way up. all the way until you spend all of your blocks. Crap. Also, if you want to be a YouTuber too, you have to use Screencast-O-Matic. It is the best software for YouTube videos. Although I am the most worst YouTuber in this world, I don't have that much subscribers at all. Or if you were in the Christmas event and you were a noob and you just was grinding for your wood, then you could have just got a harpoon, because that's how I got mine. First thing you have to do is anchor block off this here, and then you need to go over here, that, and then let the code be a big footprint. And the O's are actually zeros. That will give you a cake. That's perfect. Because then you can do this. And when you do that, you can do this. And if you can do that, then you need to get your harpoon and then put it on your head. And then you need to aim over there. And you need to do this. This is the most easiest way to do it. Crap. Okay, then that's the video. Bye.